Digon a bonedigaethau pasar y mwyaf i'w chroesawu chi yma heddiw. Mae'n anrhydedd ac yn fraint i ni fel cyfeirlan bod fel coleg yn cynnal y seremoni addysg uwch yma heddiw. Mwynhewch ein hadeilad ni ar y wyrgil sydd yna ac newch yn fawr o'r diwrnod. The Dean will now say a few words in favor.
A very warm welcome to this, our Cathedral Church of St. Daniel. St. Daniel came here in 546 and built his monastic cell. And I'm sure it was as wet then as it is today. Since that time, this area has housed the religious settlement and is the only religious place that can claim to be in continuing use since 546. It was and is a place of learning, so it is a privilege to carry on that tradition of learning with this award ceremony. The Bishop of Bangor cannot be here today and sends his apologies. He is at present in our link diocese of Lango in Uganda with a party of teachers and clergy. So, welcome. And we begin this ceremony by singing the first hymn, Moloch and Glory Clear and Ever. And we stand.
Rhaid i fel pennaeth polymenau, croesawu chi i'r seremoni yma. Ymwysdi, croesaw cynnes iawn ac arbennig, ysteion o debyg. Maer, Bangor, Llywosai, Cadeirydd Cyngor Ynys Môn, Cynghorydd Paul Hughes, Is-Gadeirydd Cyngor Gwynedd, Cynghorydd Dilwyn Morgan, ac Is-Gadeirydd Grŵp Cymdeithas Menau, Dr Griff Jones. I'm also very pleased to welcome the senior representatives for the three universities to whom we work in partnership to provide education courses here at Colmenau. Cynrychioli Prifysgol Bangor, Odan, Prifysgol Glyndŵr, a Prifysgol De Cymru. Hwn yw'n cyfwared seremoni ar ddeg, a dwi'n ffodus iawn yn tylenni gael ei chynnal yma yn y Gadeirwan. Mae'n adeilad hanesyddol a godigol, a sy'n wer o gael cynnal seremoni yma yn pallu di o blwyddyn mae'n rhaid un wer yn union yn cyfer fel i'r Gadeirwan. A rydyn ddiolchgar iawn i'r ysgol a deon o staff yn barhau i gefnogi. We are very grateful for the support of the Bishop and the Dean. And this reflects his commitment to education and hopefully Coleg Menai's commitment to the community it serves. Mae hwn yn ddiwrnod i ni dathlu o'r gilydd a gwneud gweld bob oedran yma yn dathlu fel teuluoedd. A dwi'n estyn ymwyrchiadau bawb sydd yn cael ei gyflwyno yma ac hefyd i'r rhai sydd yn edu bod yma efo ni heddiw. Yn werth nodi bod nifer fawr o'n myfyrwyr addysg uwch, pobl sy'n mewn swyddi. Ac felly mae bod yma ar ddiwrnod gwaith yn gwneud sy'n anodd. We've reached the end of the second year of operation as a college as part of Group Cymdeithas Menau. And I'm pleased to report that it's been another very successful year with our performance and data improving on an annual basis. And I'm sure you'll hear more from that from our Chief Executive later on. It continues to be a time of self-concern and economic difficulties. And we've been through a major period of change. But we can be certain that Coleg Menai will be a great place to study and to succeed. And that's because of the community of dedicated teachers that we have. Managers and support staff will do all that they can to ensure that this continues in the future. Mae seren mynydd yma yn un arbennig iawn personol i mi. Yna'n edrych yma bydd ddyletswydd ola i mi fel pennaeth Coleg Menai. Bydd rhaid cychwyn bod ag llun fel pennaeth Coleg Llandrillo yn edrych ymlaen i'r her honno. Mi hoffwn gymeryd cyfle i ddiolch o Wylo Calon i'r llywodraethwyr, i'r cefnogaeth nhw, i'r tîm uwch sydd wedi bod yn gefn eithriadol i mi dros y blynyddoedd diwethaf. Ac i'r holl staff a'r ymholiad nhw, a dim ond trwy'r ymholiad nhw, mae'r llwyddiant y coleg wedi wneud i symud yn blaen. Dwi yn hollol hyderus y bydd Coleg Menai hau datblygu ac i wella dan arweiniodd Dr Ian Rhys fydd yn golynu yn symud o Coleg Mwyd y Gwyddor. Bydd llawer o ddiolch i gyd pob yn un hau y fol. Dwi wan am alw ar Lydawyn i'w cyfarwyddwr gwasanaethau academaidd Grŵp Cymdeithas Menai ac yn fuan i academaidd Coleg Mwyd y Gwyddor.
Felly, dyma gychwyn ar y cyflwyniadau, a byddai'n galw'r myfyrwyr llwyddiannus i ddod i fyny yma i'r carpet coch yn ei sio i dderbyn i cymwysterau. So we're ready to start the presentation, and I'll be calling the successful students to come forward in their turn to receive their awards. Byddwn ni'n dechrau gyda Prifysgol Bangor, ac mae'n bleser gen i alw ar yr athro John Goddard i dweud gair i gyntaf. So the first awards are those from Bangor University, and can you please give a warm welcome to Professor John Goddard, who will give a short
behalf of Bangor University, I'd like to begin by welcoming all of today's graduates and to extend a very warm welcome to all of our other visitors, parents, other family members, partners and friends. I'd like to congratulate today's graduates for having chosen to study under the partnership programme between Coleg Menai and Bangor University. We very much hope that, having reached the ceremonial end of this important phase in your educational and professional development, you'll be feeling that you made a great choice to study under this programme. The award you receive today will be an asset to you in whatever path you choose to pursue subsequently, either in the job market or perhaps in studying for a higher educational qualification. Whatever your future plans, I wish you every success and prosperity and good health. As you go your separate ways, I very much hope that you'll stay in touch with your tutors at Coleg Menai and with each other. Completing any higher educational qualification involves a serious personal commitment and a lot of hard work. You are the people who have risen successfully to meet this challenge. And on behalf of Bangor University, I am proud and delighted to be able to join you in celebrating this success today.
Felly, y gwobna sy'n cael ei gyflwyno mewn partneriaeth â Prifysgol Bangor. The awards presented in partnership with Bangor University i gychwyn i dderbyn diploma cenedlaethol uwch mewn astudiaethau busnes, to receive the High National Diploma in Business Studies, Eleanor Joy Brooke. To receive the Higher National Certificate in Business Administration, Katie Angharad Jones. A dyna ni gwobra Prifysgol Bangor. Diolch. Thank you. O'n i blaen rwan at y gwobra sy'n cael ei gyflwyno ar y cyd at Prifysgol Glyndŵr. So we now move on to the awards presented in association with Glyndŵr University. A gael croesawu yr athro Peter Excel i ddweud gair. Please welcome Professor Peter Excel from Glyndŵr University.
Wel, Pnawn da Bryddiau, pnawn da o Prifysgol Glyndŵr. Rwan, mae'n drwg gen i tan y Gymro ydw i, ond dwi ddim siarad yn dda yn iaith yn enwyd. Felly unrhyw geiriau yn Saesneg. I'm half Welsh, but I don't speak Welsh very well, so a few words in English. Congratulations to everyone here, whether awarded by our university or by any other awarding body. Universities are the custodians of awards, and it is an important quasi-legal function that we perform here. And it is an important stage you've reached in your lives in achieving these awards. I know it's taken massively hard work, and congratulations to you all. We very much value our links with Coleg Menai and with Bangor. We in North Wales, whether from North East, where we are based, or you in the North West, we should all hang together and make sure that we do good things for North Wales. And having good graduates, strong colleges like this is an important part of helping the economy of North Wales, west or east, Welsh speaking or English speaking. You are a very important part of the future of this country. A few words about Glyndŵr University. We've been in the news quite a lot recently. About 3 weeks ago, we had fantastic rises in the league tables that we were very pleased with. About 2 weeks ago, we had an amazing success in our project to polish mirrors for what will be the world's leading optical telescope. And we've achieved a smoothness in those mirrors equivalent to an error of 1 inch on a straight line between London and New York. And that would be a fantastic project for Wales. And it was very interesting engineering there. I know there are some engineering graduates that I'm about to whose hands I'm about to shake. So consider getting into optics, guys and girls. 1 week ago, we had some trouble with our London branch, more to do with people feeding forged English language certificates. We are sorting that out. It won't be a problem. So I hope it doesn't put anyone off. It's a minor local difficulty. Basically, we've gone from success to success in Glyndŵr University, and we're doing our best to help our part of the economy of North Wales. So, some of you may go out and develop your careers in the wider world, and it's a great thing to contribute to that. Some of you, I hope, will contribute to the economy of Wales, and we all believe that's a very important thing to do. Whatever you do, build on what you have done. Accept that the world is changing very fast. Knowledge needs to be acquired all the time, but you are the future that will develop the economy here and in the world. Thank you very much.
So the Awards and Association Glyndŵr University. I derbyn tysysgrif cenedlaethol technoleg mecanyddol to receive the Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Technology, Gareth Wyn Jones. Richard Leon Jones. Tysysgrif cenedlaethol uwch mewn technoleg drydanol ac electronig to receive the Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Technology, John Rhys Evans. David Owain Foxall. Dewi Gwyn Griffiths. David Price Hughes. Matthew Robert Jones. John Glyn Williams. Samuel David Williams. I dderbyn tysysgrif cenedlaethol uwch mewn peirianneg sifil to receive the Higher National Certificate in Civil Engineering, Iwan Hywel Lloyd Ellis. Gavin Glyn Owen. A John Bryn Williams. Derbyn tysysgrif cenedlaethol uwch mewn astudiaethau adeiladu to receive the Higher National Certificate in Building Studies, Gethin Wyn Evans. David Wyn Jones. Stephen Richard. Aled Griffiths. Pamela Rosemary Leonard. Stephen Lee Mason. Anthony Morris. David Roberts. Marian Joy Williams. I dderbyn gradd sylfaen yn Mont Celf a Dylunio, to receive a foundation degree in art and design, Sandra Hughes. Josephine Lauren Seymour Jones. Mia Lloyd Roberts. Stacey Jacqueline Ward. Susan Williams. I dderbyn tysysgrif neu diploma addysg uwch mewn iechyd a gofal, to receive the Higher Education Certificate or Diploma in Health and Social Care, Bethan Wyn Aidskin. Daniel Christopher Davis. Julie Marie Evans. Tracy Elizabeth Hammond. Sri Hing Howard. Claire Hensey. Holly Jones. Carol Ann Parry. Paula Louise Platt. Laura Jane Roberts. Naomi Lynn Roberts. A dyna diwedd am gyntaf y gwobrau. So we've reached the end of the first part of the presentations. Mae'n amser nawr am edrych gerddorol. A dyma pan eich chi'n gwybod beth yw'r peiriant yna hyn, ond mae gynnu ni dyn ifanc sydd yn dangos i chi mewn munud be fydd ganddo fo gwneud. So mae'n bleser gen i wahodd Iolo Edward, cerddor lleol, i roi'n datganiad. It's time for our musical interlude. I'm very pleased to welcome Iolo Edwards, the talented young musician, to get this young entertainer for the next few minutes. the quiz with the question, what is a Madumba? We'll all know from now on. Felly diolch o gael o'n ei olwg. Mae bob amser yn bleser gweld pobl ifanc lleol yn llwyddo, a dwi'n meddwl na da ni wedi gweld heddiw un o sedd y dyfodol. So many thanks to you all. It's always a pleasure to see local young people on the road to success, and I think you all want to watch for the future. Felly ymlaen â ni, gyda gofrwyo, ac yn symud i weddill wobla. A'r partner ola dyn ni'n croesawu ydy Prifysgol De Cymru, ac yn bleser credu mae hwn yn llwyfan i ddweud gair Graham Rogers, Dirk Canolfan.
Renowned Class, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, graduates. I am honoured to be representing the Vice-Chancellor and to be addressing you on your special day. Today is a moment in which we recognise and celebrate your considerable talent, hard work and commitment. And this ceremony is the collective celebration of your individual academic achievements. I would like to offer my congratulations and appreciation to both graduates and your supporters. Well done. I would also like to pay tribute to your tutors and your college. We value our long-standing relationship and partnership with the college, the fruits of which we are celebrating today. The future is difficult to predict, but what is certain is that we live in a world of change. When I was preparing this speech, I reflected on the changes in my working career, which started at the age of 16 as an apprentice marine engineer over 40 years ago. When I left school, I was awarded a prize, and this is it. This is a slide rule, and when I started my career, it was the state-of-the-art calculator. It doesn't need a battery, and it still works. Today, a lot of us are carrying in our pockets one of these, which has more computing power than put the first man on the moon, which was within my working lifetime. If one of you stands here in 2054 and holds up one of these, I wonder how crude it will look at that time. You will have to adapt to new and ever-changing circumstances, where the knowledge and skills that you have acquired here will stand you in good stead for meeting the challenges ahead. You have the natural abilities and talents that are unlocked and given a free rein by education. As the ancient Romans put it perfectly 2,000 years ago, the mind is not a vessel that needs filling, but a fire that needs igniting. It has been a privilege for my university and our colleagues and friends at this college to have played a part in your education. And we and your family and friends and supporters take great pride in your achievement. But most of all, you should be justifiably proud of what you have achieved. Congratulations on your success and your determination to succeed, which will hold you in good stead in whatever path you now take. Thank you. Till our revoir.
The was presented in partnership with the University of South Wales. I derbyn System Addysg i'r Aredigion to receive the postgraduate certificate in education, Hannah Collins. Jodie Adele Harris. Marie Fassian. Deborah Ann Lenhart. Cassandra so we find the category of awards. These are the professional qualifications, cymwysedd proffesiynol. Dwi'n cael yn cael ei cyflwyno i'r Dr Griff Jones, is-gadeirydd o'r Llywodraethwyr Grŵp Llanfair Menel. So these awards will be presented by the Vice Chair of the Governing Body, Dr Griff Jones. Felly, i dderbyn diploma lefel 5 mewn arwain, maes gofal dysgu a datblygiad plant, drwy cymarferydd. The level 5 diploma in leadership, Children's Care Learning Development Advanced Practitioner, Justine Burley. Angela Davis. Pamela Gannon. Nian Hughes. Catherine James. Amy Jones. Tina Patterson. Pamela Louise Roberts. Sarah Roberts. Larissa Smith. Lindsay Catherine Vaughan. Roedd y diploma lefel 5 mewn arwain ym maes gofal dysgu a datblygiad plant, arwain a reoli. Level 5 diploma in leadership for Children's Care Learning Development, Leadership and Management, Ellen Evans. Fiona Roberts. Diploma level 5 mewn arwain ym maes iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol, the level 5 diploma in leadership for health and social care, Mary Angel. Andrew Brabham. David Gavin Jones. Adele Jones. Rwan y gwobrau cymdeithas Cymreig Cyfrifiadu. So the Association of Cabinet Technicians Awards, Bethan Louise. Owen Walshaw. Lynn Jones. Sally Ann Pollard. Cecile Roberts. Arlene Bobman, AAT, so the same awards, but from Coleg Llanrwysio. Dana Davis. Nicola. Esther Neri Sankinur. Gwobrau rheoli safle adeiladu Edexcel, the Edexcel Construction Site Management Awards. Michael Evans. Angela Merrill Davis. Meredith Davis. Meredith Evans. Hazel Hollingsworth. Yola Long Hughes. Harold Molyneux. Ian Lloyd Roberts. Sonia Wynne Rock. Nia Wynne Williams. Nicola Helen Williams. Mae'n ddrwg i ni wedi methu Trian Lloyd. A dyna ni. Mae hynny'n dod â ni at ddiwedd y broblem, so that completes the presentation of awards this afternoon. Gai nawr, wahodd Mr Glyn Jones, Grywyddfedwr drwy'r Cynnig i roi un anerchiad. So can you now please welcome Mr Glyn Jones, the Group Chief Executive, to give his address.
Dwi'n cytuno bod fi yn dweud bod ti wedi bod yn bleser mawr bod yma yn hawdd yma. Mae'r gadeirlen hon yn amgylchedd bendigedig ac hollol deilwng i ni ddathlu'r llwyddiant a chyseiddiad ein myfyrwyr. Pwrpas y seremoni yma yw gwneud tystiolaeth ynglyn â'r gwaith caled sydd wedi cael ei wneud i ennill cymhwyster addysg uwch. The purpose of this ceremony today, of course, is to see at first hand the evidence of what hard work has resulted in achieving higher education awards. Ac wrth gwylio pawb yn dod i fyny i gasglu ei sysysgrif, mae'n hawdd iawn deall ond mae'r amrywiol yw'r her sydd wedi bod i gefnod y myfyrwyr yma. Mae rhai ohonoch wedi astudio rhan amser ac eraill rhan amser. Mae nifer ohonoch wedi llwyddo i gadw balans rhwng gweithio ac astudio. Nifer arall wedi gwneud hynny yn ogystal â chyflawni cyfrifoldebau teuluol. Many of you have studied at the same time as working, others have studied whilst also fulfilling family and other commitments, and we need to appreciate just how much of a challenge achieving these qualifications can be. Beth bynnag, fi o'n neud her bersonol chi, hoffwn i gymryd y cyfle yma o'n gyfer yn bersonol. Mi allwch bod yn falch iawn o'r hyn sydd wedi ei gyflawni. O'n gyfrifiadau nawr iawn i chi gyd. What we witness today is a very successful outcome of what we in our trade call higher education in further education. That's university level courses delivered in a local setting and delivered by the staff of colleges. It's a really good way of working for very many people, and I'm proud to be celebrating the success that we've been here today. I'm also very proud to be working with Wales Leading Universities, and I'm pleased to thank their senior representatives who have joined in our celebration this afternoon. Now, Coleg Menna, you have probably realised by now, is part of the Group Llanfairpwll Menna, the largest and the most successful college in Wales. As a group, we aim to do three very important things. Fel grŵp, mae ganddyn ni dri amcan bwysig iawn. Yn gyntaf, sut rhaid gyfleoedd dysgu o ansawdd uchel, firstly to provide learning opportunities of the highest quality for our young people and adults in North Wales. And I hope you may ensure bod gan pob ysgol y sgiliau a'r cymwysgerau addas I lwyddo yn y math yna'n waith. Secondly, to make sure that we equip our learners with the right skills and qualifications to succeed in what is still a very tight job market in North Wales. Y drydydd, I gefnogi cyflogwyr lleol, mawr a bach, ac I gefnogi yr economi yn Arolwg Cymru. And thirdly, to support the North Wales economy by meeting the skills requirements of employers, both large and small. And what you will witness in these proceedings today is excellent evidence that Coleg Menai is doing its part in helping our group to achieve these aims. The graduates sitting to my right and to my left are excellent role models reflecting what can be achieved. Ond mae'n bwysig iawn bod ni'n cofio pan yn dathlu llwyddiant fel yr hyn sydd ar weld heddiw, bod hyn I gyd yn dibynnu I raddau uchel ar ymdrech tîm o staff ardderchog iawn yn Coleg Menai. I think it's very important to realise, and I'm sure the students would agree with me, that their success today is due in very large part to the support and teaching of an excellent team of staff here at Coleg Menai. And I would ask you now, as learners, to join me in thanking the staff of Coleg Menai. Gyda arweiniad Crib a Chyson heddiw. A mae David Evans wedi bod yn bennaeth arbennig o Crib ac effeithiol ers 30 o blynyddoedd yma yn Coleg Menai. Eleni yw seremoni o brio addysg uwch olaf David yn Coleg Menai. Mae'n symud draw I fod yn bennaeth yn un o'r colegau eraill o fewn y grŵp, sef Coleg Llanrugod. Felly, dydy o ddim yn mynd yn bell iawn I hwn, dwi'n falch o ddweud, ond hoffwn I gymryd ar gwaith David fel pennaeth Coleg Menai. O dan ei arweiniad o, mae Coleg Menai wedi datblygu yn un o'r unedau cryfaf yn Nghymru ac yn partner pwysig iawn o fewn grŵp Llanrugod Menai. David, diolch o galon I ti am y gwaith creadigol, cyson a chyfloesol a pob munud da yn y swydd newydd. David Evans is leading Coleg Menai, but will be remaining within Group Llanrugod Menai as principal of Coleg Llanrugod. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank David for his efforts and his outstanding leadership and contribution, and wish him very well in his new role. Of course, we all know that behind every successful leader there is usually a strong deputy, and this is no exception. David Evans has been ably assisted at Coleg Menai by Linda Wynne, who was formerly Vice Principal within the college, before taking up the role as Leader Executive Director of Academic Services. Linda Wynne hefyd yn ymarfer Coleg Menai, lle oedd I Kings and Llyrgwy, ac ers 2 blynedd yn oedd yn dod yn arwain gwasanaethau academaidd ar draws y grŵp, ond mae hi hefyd yn symud I blaen bod yn bennaeth ar un o'r colegau arall o fewn y grŵp, sef Coleg Meirio Dwyfol. A da'n diolch hefyd I Linda am eich cyfraniad, am eich cefnogaeth o David Evans dros nifer o blynyddoedd. Diolch fawr iawn Linda, thank you very much Linda, who is also leaving Coleg Menai to become Principal of Coleg Meirio Dwyfol. Over the last 2 years, of course, Linda has already been playing a role across the group, leading our academic services. Wrth droi at ddiwedd y seremoni, hoffwn dweud diolch hefyd i'n partneriaethau o'r Brifysgolion yn Nghymru. I'd like to thank, as well as we move towards the end of the ceremony, our university partners and their representatives today, Radford, Peter, Excel, Gwyl, Gyrpwys, Gengeto,
Graham Rogers o Brifysgol De Cymru a yr athro John Rodder o Brifysgol Bangor. Thank you very much for attending the ceremony today and helping us to celebrate the achievements of your students as well as ours. Hoffwn hefyd diolch yn fawr iawn i'r deog, am y cyfrodwyr ac i gweithio i gefnu yn diwrnod fforddiadwy yma fel amgylchen mor ysgoledig ysgoledig. A dwi'n gofyn rwan i'r deog dweud ychydig o eiriau i gloi y seremoni. Diolch yn fawr i chi am ddod a diolch am helpu ni ddathlu sydd iawn yn llwyddiant y myfyrwyr yma yn y blwyddyn academaidd 13-14.
As we prepare to leave this place, a closing prayer. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face to shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord look on you with kindness and give you peace. A bendith Duw o hyddiog, a tad yma fel ysbryd lan, a fôn eich bydd ac a digo gyda chwi yn wastad. Amen. Emyn olaf am Rhydbethwch Diana.